time at the quick speed shop. I dragged home a 1941 Mercury Coupe. Alright, I gotta leave my truck running because the carburetor's being a little funny. It's been flooding when I shut it off when it's hot, and then it's a bear to start. So, behind me, I got a 1941 Mercury Coupe. This is a one-year-only body style, and I would show you the front clip, but it's in the back of the truck right now. So a guy in the car club had this car for sale. It was cheap. It's from South Dakota, and what I want to do is build a 40s style tail dragger custom out of it. Kind of like the Jack Stewart Mercury, 41 Mercury, built by the Alea brothers and George Barris in the early 50s. You can go on Google's, on the internets, the interwebs, check that out. But he had a full fadeaway fender, custom chop top, custom grill, lowered 40 style 41 Mercury Coupe. That was a real famous car. It was bought by Bob Drake, Bob Drake Reproductions. He had it for like 55 years, and recently I think it just sold. But anyways, this is the same thing in stock form. This car's not too bad. Got a little bit of rot here in the bottom, some needs floors, a little bit of rot in quarters, but I've got the whole front clip for it, minus the grill, because the guy that I bought it from, his buddy needed a grill. They had a deer with it, so that's why they bought the car, for the grill. But I have another grill in stock at the quick speed shop, but this car is going to get the full custom treatment with a custom front grill, probably like a 47 Olds, or I got a 42 Chevy or something to put in there. Probably channeled, tail drag chop for sure, and make a full-on 40s custom. So I dragged it home. It's getting dark. I'm almost back, but check it out. It's pretty solid. You can see that it was originally red or maroon. Well, actually maroon by the firewall. I brought these wheels. These are off of 47 Ford. They appear to be a similar maroon. I had to put them on there because the rear tires are flat on this car. So I got a full set of weight walls I can throw on it. But here it is. It's pretty solid. It's pretty straight. The roof's not caved in or anything. It's got full interior in it, I think, minus maybe the door panel. And I've got, like I said, the front fenders, the hood, the front bumper, and just minus the grill. And it's got the engine, the engine's missing, but it's got the transmission and the rear end and all that. Everything else is here. So it's a pretty solid car, a pretty rare car, and it's going to be a pretty cool car. Driver's side's about the same shape. Fender's a little disconnected here. It's a little rustier on this side. But overall, it's straight. The sheet metal is nice. Just notice they've got rivets all up in here. They've riveted a whole piece of galvanized tin all the way back up into here behind this quarter panel. I just know that's pretty interesting. But overall, it's super straight. And it was a radio car. I see there was a hole in the roof for the radio antenna. But this is a long door, I think. Short quarter panel coupe. I think they had two versions. They had the short door with a long quarter panel, like a business coupe. I think this is a regular, like regular coupe here. But is there anybody home? Oh, there's a fuel tank. Oh, no way, with a walking gas cap. Look at that, bam, custom filler neck right there. How does it open? Huh. Ooh, the gas smells really old. Well, I'm going to motor on back. We'll get it back to the quick speed shop.
Oh, well, 14,000.
I'm already customized it. I got a new white wall put on here.
Oh, look at that.
Nothing but the best here.
That's going to match the right front. What are you going to do with this?
I'd like to build like a Jack Stewart style custom out of it. Chop it, tail drag it. You got a 42 Chevy grill you can put in it. Yeah, Jack Stewart car I went. The Alea brothers chopped it and put full fit of fadeaway fenders on it. They had like a 49 Cadillac grill on it. And Bob Drake bought it in 1955 and had it forever put on the road. Took it to the 72 Street Rod Nationals. Before it was Street Rod Nationals, whatever it was then. on Jack Stewart saw it again. Then they restored it a couple of years ago to the 51 version or something. Which one are you on? Okay.
Tire up here.
Yep, got it.
There's your bolt.
It's spinning. Let me take that deep socket. I got the socket.
I'll be able to smell it. Superman! Speed check!
God, you got it half built already.
No. See that rubber's for you?
Okay. You might be able to use it for a pattern. I'm going to send it off to soft steel and they'll match it up for you.
So blow the mice out of it now.
What's that?
They'll blow the mice out of it now. It rolls easy.
You want to bring it back over towards the center of the trailer?
Yep.
A little more. Go a little more. All right. All right, now bring your steering wheel back. Can you turn it? Very good. Good. Forward. Man, almost like it wants to go home.
My tow van broke down. I'm using this one. Yes. 462. Costs like $50 just to get. Just in time. Like in the attic in my garage or anything. I took a step ladder home one time. All it had was a cracked rivet on it. They're like, oh, you can't use it. I've been using it for 10 years. And, you know, it's got all the other rivets. It's not like one little rivet was going to be a problem. That's superhuman.
Okay, what about, is there a stopper? That's why it rolled up on the trailer so nice.
Yeah, but there's no shoes in the back now too. The rear rolls off easy.
Well, that's a good thing other than being rusted and set up.
The backing plates are gone. Somebody took the hydraulic brakes off it. But they got a whole bunch of hydraulic brakes.
I watched some old hot rod years ago. Because this came out of a junkyard.
Yeah.